everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a realistic water like this in After Effects. No plugins, it's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add new composition, I'll make it full HD, frame rate 60 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to layer, new solid and I'll name it fractal noise. And make sure that your solid is white. It's very important. Then hit OK. OK. Now I'll go to Effects and Presets and I'll type fractal noise. Double click or drag and drop. And here we go. Now I'll go to fractal type, set base to turbulent sharp, soft linear, set soft linear to spline, open invert, and contrast. I'll decrease it to 80. Then I'll go to transform scale. I'll change scale to 150. Then I'll go to offset turbulence. Go to last frame, keyframe here, go to first frame and go here and just add minus or negative and see. This is our animation. Also, I'll go to evolution. Alt click and I'll type here times 100. Okay, and see. Now I'll go to complexity and I'll change it to 1. Okay, and let me name it fractal noise 1. Okay, yeah, very good. Now I'll control D this fractal noise and I'll name it fractal noise 2. Okay, yeah. Set normal to hard light. Also, if you don't see this, you can go to toggle switch and just click. Okay, yeah. Now I'll add some settings here. So I'll go to turbulence sharp, and I'll change it to smurry. Also, I'll go to contrast here. I'll change it to 40. Brightness, I'll change it to -20, and I'll add I'll change allow HDR to warp back. Okay, it's very important. Don't forget this complexity. I'll change it to 4. Also, I'll open transform, uncheck uniform scaling, and scale width. I'll change it to 1 to 5 and height 200. And okay, I think that's all here. Okay, so let me just degrees contrast to 35. Yeah, I think that's all. Okay, now I'll add a new adjustment layer. Go to effects and presets and write CC globalize and go here, set adjustment layer to fractal noise 2. Okay, and go to light, set light intensity to 150. Also light height, I'll change it to 100. Okay, now I'll go to shading. I'll add some settings here. I'll decrease diffuse to 20. Also here I'll change it to 35 specular, and also roughness I'll change it to 0.200 or 2, just 2. Yeah, and I'll decrease metal a little bit like this. Okay, now I'll go to layer again and I'll add adjustment layer. Go to effects and presets and I'll type toner. Okay, let me change shadows color to white. Then I'll go here and I'll take color like or like something like this. Okay, then hit OK. Again, I'll go to layer, new adjustment layer, and I'll type bilateral blur. Okay, double click or drag and drop. Then radius, I'll change it to 75. Okay, and I'll go to effect, color correction, and I'll add levels and input black. I'll change it to 20 and gamma here I'll decrease it a little bit, something like this. Then I'll go to effects and presets and CC glass, double click or drag and drop, and I'll change height here to 50. Also light height, I'll change it to 80. Okay, yeah, it's very good. Now again, I'll add a new adjustment layer and I'll go to effects and presets and I'll go to, mm, sorry, I'll go to effect and I'll go to color correction and hue. Colorize, I'll check colorize and go here to hue and I'll type 200 because I want a color blue, okay? And here 100 and also last one 25. Okay, and that's all. Let me select all, right click and pre-compose, and I'll name it water and press S to increase it because I don't need this uh, black, or I don't know, just increase it like this. Okay, yeah. Now I'll go to layer and I'll add a new adjustment layer again. Go to effects and presets and I'll type caustics. Okay, yeah. Now I'll go to bottom. I'll set adjustment layer to water. Scaling, I'll increase it to 1.5 like this. And also, okay, go to water, set none to water again. And wave height, I'll increase it to 0 0.4. Okay, and smoothing, I'll increase the smoothing to maybe 25 or 20. Okay, 25. Let me increase scaling to 1.6 here. Okay, and also I'll increase index here a little bit. Then I'll go to sky, set none to water also, and I'll decrease intensity something like this. Okay, and light material. Oh, it's good. It's very good. Okay, this is our realistic water and this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe and goodbye.